Together, growing in faith, changing communities.
Ngegama likaYisebene indodana nomoya ocebileyo. Bengifisa namhlanje ukuba siyobuka incwadi kaJobe isahluko sesibili, ivesi lokuqala kuze kube ivesi leshumi. Job chapter 10 from verses 1 to verse 10. Again there was a day when the sons of God came to present themselves before the Lord, and Satan also came among them to present himself before the Lord. And the Lord said to Satan, "From where have you come?" Satan answered the Lord, and he said to him, "From going to and fro on the earth, and from walking up and down on it." And the Lord said to Satan, "Have you considered my servant Job? Have you considered my servant Job, that there is none like him on the earth, a blameless and an upright man, who fears God and who turns away from the evil? He still holds fast his integrity, although you had incited me against him to destroy him without reason." That's something so powerful. Usathane uhamba namadodana kaNkulunkulu. This is in chapter 2. We've seen this in chapter 1. And he presents himself before God. He presents himself before God. NuNkulunkulu umbuzo umbuzo wodwa, and it fascinates me ukuthi uNkulunkulu always ask him, uvelaphi? Uvelaphi? Njoba atuhambile ubukephi? Ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuthi you always create chaos la ukhona. Ngoba ngiyakwazi ukuthi you incite things la ukhona. But ngiyakwazi ukuthi futhi uyaqaphela. Uvelaphi? Njoba usubuya manje uvelaphi? And uyangithinta usathane uma emtshela uNkulunkulu, hayi ngivele ezweni lasemhlabeni bengihambela nje. I was just going fro and to, and I was just going up and down. I was just walking around and noticing, checking if everything is on check. Mhlawumbe kunombuzo kumele siwubuze wona, asike simbeke eceleni the accuser Satan, and I'm asking myself, uvelaphi? Uvelaphi? And if one was to come back into this question in the morning and ask oneself, where have I been? And obviously the immediate answer will be, I've always been around, I've always been here. But if you go back deeper, where have I been? And you go back to this question, where have I been? The real me, kade ngagcina ukujabula, kade ngagcina ukuba happy, kade ngagcina ukuba at peace. Uyawumuza umuntu ethi, hey, kade ngagcina ukuhleka kanje. Awumuza umuntu, hey, kade ngagcina ukusutha kanje. Umuza omunye umuntu ethi, kade ngagcina ukuhlala nabantu ngi-enjoye kanje. Ubukephi? Uvelaphi? Is there a possibility that I can lose myself? Is there a possibility that I can lose everything about me to a point yokuthi angisazazi ukuthi ngivelaphi? Angisazazi ukuthi how did I end up here? Angisazazi ukuthi ngilinyazwe yini? Uvelaphi? Yabona kwesinye isikhathi ithando zami siyayiphila impilo esirealize ukuthi but this is not me. Sometimes siyazenza izinto esirealize ukuthi but this is not what I thought I will become. And so uyangishaya lo mbuzo uqala manje ubhekisa kumina uqobo lwami ukuthi uvelaphi, ngoba akuve kulula ungaboni ukuthi kade ngahamba. Yabona there were moments when one was involved in healing ministry, and in those moments there were times when one will do prayers and all sort of things, and you realize ukuthi khona lezi ngane ezazi under attack, and from time to time ezayihlala emehlweni abantu uyitshela ukuthi ikhona kanti umzimba wabo sekusela umzimba wodwa bona kade behambile. And only later they will come back and the stories they will tell and the things they will have done, and you realize ukuthi kade engekho usibanibani. And ayikho into ebuhlungu then leyo realization ukuthi ngihleli nomuntu ongekho la. Khona leli culo elidala, your body is here with me but your mind is on the other side of town. Ayikho into ebuhlungu then leyo ukurealize ukuthi ngisale ngabamba isigodo umuntu kade ahamba. Ngisale ngabuka intambo kanti imbuzi kade iqashukile, mina ngibuka intambo ngitshela ukuthi sakhona kanti ayisekho. And kwesinye isikhathi the same thing can exist in our families. Einganeni zethu uyitshela ukuthi uyamazi umntwana, umtshela ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle, uyitshela ukuthi yonke into is according to plan, and only to realize ukuthi kade ehambile. Yes, uhleli nani, yes, wenza yonke into, but someone else influences their thinking. Someone else feeds their mind. Someone else destroys their future without us knowing. And kwesinye isikhathi kubalekile ukububuza umbuzo ukuthi sibanibani uvelaphi? Usakhona yini? Usahleli nathi kuleli khaya? Kwesinye isikhathi ithandwa zami siyahlala emndenini singasazani. Uthola ukuthi siyasebenza, ngivuka ekseni ngihambe, nomunye afike ekseni siphambane sisebenza ama shift. Uthola ukuthi siyaphambana kuphela isonto lonke asikaze sibonane, sesikhuluma nje ngama messages, asabonani. Uthola ukuthi abantu ba busy baya cross night, now busy uyasebenza, and we live busy lives, and you realize ukuthi angisamazi usibanibani. It's gone over 2 weeks. Umbuzo uvelapha ngisakwazi. Uzubezwe nomakhelwane nomndeni bethi hawusibanibani sakuboni uvelaphi. Athi omunye bengibusy bengisemsebenzini, athi omunye bengibusy bengisebenza, athi omunye bengibusy content esiyilungisa ekhaya, besibusy content esiyihlela. But the reality is emotionally we can also sense the same thing. Usibanibani akaseyena, kwenzakaleni kuyena? You must be with someone who's been abused, who's been molested, who's been raped, whatever they've gone through. They withdraw, and you realize ukuthi usibanibani akuseyena. You are not the person you used to be. Ubobona umuntu who's experienced a trauma empilweni yakhe. Ubobona umuntu who's gone through so much empilweni yakhe. They withdraw, and as they withdraw, they change. And people don't realize ukuthi you've gone through so much empilweni. They question, why have you changed? They don't know ukuthi you've been from hell and back. Uvelaphi? Khona lento uNkulunkulu ayiphakamisayo enhlizweni yami emshadweni. Uthola ukuthi sihleli sishadile kanti besuswela lo mbuzo ukubuza ukuthi sibanibani usakhonani. Uthola ukuthi kade ahamba because uthando kade laphela, or because i-commitment kade yaphela, or uthola ukuthi ukubambisana kwade kwaphela. And siyasaba ukubuza ukuthi sibanibani ukephi, ngoba abanye babo abakabuyi futhi abanye babo asibaboni bebuya. Omunye abuye mhlambe after years sewubakhulisile abantwana, abantwana usubenzele yonke into, abuye after years expect ukuthi yonke into will be as smooth as they left it. Ebese uyambuza ukuthi after all these years uvelaphi? Ungishiye ngedwa wena, ngakhulisa abantwana bami, ngabayisa esikoleni, ngabayisa tertiary. Namhlanje mase beshada ufuna bazolobola phambi kwakho. Namhlanje mase beshada ufuna kubo wena obakhipha isigcawu. Namhlanje mase beshada ufuna kubo wena who walked them down the aisle. Namhlanje mase beshada ufuna ukuthola izinto ngabo. Ubukephi all along? Uvelaphi? Thandwa zami, I wish we can sit with this word and ask ourselves, ngivelaphi? Now there's something else that uNkulunkulu does that speaks to me, and mayiphakamisa uNkulunkulu lento uyibuza ibombuzo wesibili, athi amehlo akho ambonile uJobe. Ayikho indoda elungile. There's no one who's so blameless before me like him. There's no one who's so perfect before me like him, even though you had incited me to destroy his life without any cause, without any reason. Usathembekile namanje, noma wena ubufuna ukuthi ngimlimaze. Usathembekile namanje, noma wena ubufuna ngidestroy impilo yakhe. Usathembekile namanje, even though engenzanga lutho elubi, esedlule through every other thing, but he remains faithful. Yangithinta leyo ndaba, yangithinta leyo aspect, ukuthi he remains faithful. Despite every other thing, he remains faithful. uNkulunkulu othembekile, uNkulunkulu ohlala nathi, and uyakwazi ukuhlupheka edlule kona, uyalwazi usizi edlule kulona, uyazazi inyembezi ezidlule kuzona, kodwa obhala kahle uthi uNkulunkulu uyamfakazela ukuthi lo muntu simlimaze engenacala. Uthe lo muntu asimenzakele konke lokho okubi, kodwa uyambonana ukuthi noma sesikwenzile akashintshi. Bengifisa leyo nkonzo ukuthi ngifunde nami empilweni yami. Bengifisa leyo nkonzo ukuthi nami uNkulunkulu angiphe yona. Kwesinye isikhathi ithandwa sami kuve kulula ukushintsha who you are. Kwesinye isikhathi ithandwa sami kuve kulula to become angry because of the circumstances. Thole kwesinye isikhathi omunye umuntu ethi ngiyamzonda mina usibanibani, athi mina ukuhlala kwami nosibanibani kungishintshile kwangenza lesi silwane engiyisona. Ukuthandana kwami nosibanibani kungishintshile kwangenza lesi silwane engiyisona. Ukuba kwami nosibanibani nengane kungishintshile kwangenza lesi silwane engiyisona. Ukuba kwami nomntwana kungishintshile kwangenza lesi silwane. Ukushada kwami nosibanibani kungishintshile kwangenza lesi silwane. Ungangishadi kukasibanibani kungishintshile kwangenza lesi silwane. Kodwa uNkulunkulu namhlanje nginenkonzo angifundisa yona ukuthi noma izimo ingenzeka, kodwa wena ungashintshi lobungcwele obuyibona. Noma izimo ingenzeka, kodwa wena ungavumi izimo ziguqule ubuwena. Baningi kuthina abalimalile lapho. Baningi kuthina abaphile impilo engelona iqiniso. Baningi kuthina abalinyazwe izimo abadlule kuzona. Bengimswela uNkulunkulu ukuthi ahambe nathi. Bengimswela uNkulunkulu kuba asiqinise. Bengimswela uNkulunkulu kuba asivikele. Bengimswela uNkulunkulu kuba asinikeze iqiniso lokwazi ukuthi noma izimo zingaguquka, kodwa Nkosi ngicela ungashintshi, ungasuki kuwena, ungasuki eqinisweni, kodwa ekuhlaleni enkonzweni osibizela yona. uNkulunkulu wethu umusa wakhe uyababazeka, umusa wakhe umile inguna phakade, umusa wakhe usenzela izimanga esingazazi. Yavuka kumina inkonzo yokuthembeka kukaNkulunkulu. Uthi uNkulunkulu kuSathane, uthe wena simlimaze, kodwa besingekho isidingo. Ngakuvumela, kodwa uyambonana ukuthi namanje engangikusho ngaye kusamile, engangikusho ngaye kusayiqiniso, engangikusho ngaye akakaguquki. Ngiyamfisa uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngelinye ilanga umezokhuluma ngami, akhuluma amazwi afana nalawo. Ukuthi it's amazing ukuthi uSibanibani, having lost a husband at a young age, she's still okay. Having lost a wife at a young age, she's still okay. Having lost her children at a young, tender age, she's still fine. Having lost her job, she is still okay. Having lost everything, she's still okay. It's amazing that what she has gone through, and many other people have been destroyed by it, but yena has risen above everything. It's amazing. Siyiswela le nkonzo yokumbonga uNkulunkulu ngamandla akhe nangomusa wakhe. Siyiswela le nkonzo yokumbonga uNkulunkulu ngokuthembeka kwakhe. Siyiswela le nkonzo yokuhlala uNkulunkulu ngoba kwenzayo kuyiqiniso. Uthi even though you incited me, but he remained faithful. Let's go to verse 4. Then Satan answered the Lord and he said, skin for skin, all that a man has he will give for his life. But stretch out your hand and touch his bone and his flesh, and he will curse you to your face. Akadeli omubi. Akadeli omubi. Yabona ithandwa zami, wayiqinisile obhala kahle methi qaphela uSathane. Athi qaphela uSathane, athi ufana nengonyama ezulazula emhlabeni izulela ukubhubhisa imiphefumulo yabantu. Yabona ithandwa zami, ngiyafisa ukusho ukuthi kunabantu abangadeli. Kunabantu abangasuthi. Kunabantu whose intent is to destroy you. Ngiyabasuthi. Noma ngathiwa wenzani kubona, noma ngathiwa ukhuluma uthini kubona, noma ngathiwa ushintshani, noma ngathiwa uxolisa uthini, abadeli, the only time they will be at peace or they will be happy is when they see you on your knees, destroyed, finished, or vanished. Khona abantu abangeke bakuthola ukuthula ingane zakho zisasebenza. Yamazi umuntu odinwa ukuthi ingane yakhe ifikile yazokubona. Khona lo mkhubo ovama ukwenziwa abantwana noma abazali, ingane ifike emsebenzini izokubona, ingane idlule emsebenzini izovalelisa, noma mifikile ize emsebenzini uthola ukuthi nami njengomzali awusengekho ukuthi ayibonanga usibana nongivakashele and sengihamba ngimintroducer. Khona abanye abantu abadinwa ilokho. Khona abanye abantu abacasula ukuthi umyeni wakho ukuphatha kahle. Khona abantu abadinwa ukuthi umyeni wakho ukwenzela izinto. Khona abantu abadinwa ukuthi umyeni wakho ukuthengela izinto. Khona abantu abangekho okay. I mean bangithi abantu abanjalo ngikhuluma ngabantu abakude, mina ngikhuluma ngabantu very close to us because they see these things. Khona abantu abangajabuli ukubona ukuthi you are successful. Abajabula ukwazi ukuthi ubuyile kwi-ICU. Abajabula ukwazi ukuthi uphumile esibhedlela. Khona abantu abakuvakashela esibhedlela hayi ngoba nakho befuna ukuthi uphile, bafuna ukuzocheck ukuthi uthini udokotela. Emazi umuntu othi mengene esibhedlela engene wardini yakho, the first thing are interested kuyona ukuthatha i-chart yakho afuna ukuyifunda, bese ethi ayibo uthini udokotela, umuntu o-insista ukuthi uzohlala abe nawe wena uyitshela ukuthi ave ngithanda usibanibani, ave nginakekela usibanibani, and only to realize ukuthi no. Bazobheka ukuthi ayibo kuthiwani ngaye. Athi meyiphuma afonela abangani bakhe athi akasakwazi sho ukuyidlela useyafunzwa. Afonela abangani bakhe akasakwazi nanokuthi aye toilet sebemfaka inapkeni. Afonela abangani bakhe athi ngifike ngahlala naye usexhunywe lonke uhlobo lomshini. Kunabantu abakuvakashelayo when uyitshela ukuthi I have visitors. No, they are not your visitors. Bazocheck ukuthi kwenzakalani, bahamba report head office ngoba they cannot wait to hear ukuthi usushonile. Uyabaza abantu abaplana umngcwabo wakho usaphila, bawuplane ngengqondo ukuthi awusibanani meshona ngeke adabule kuzokwenzeka ukuthi nokuthi hayi police vele ivuthiwe laphana, hayi ukuthi sokwenza kanjena, hayi ukuthi sokwenza kanje, and wait uNkulunkulu afana ba disappoint uphila ubuke. How many people are disappointed when they see you back on your feet again? How many people are disappointed mabekubona ubuye emsebenzini after suspension? How many people are disappointed when they see you coming back to work after a sickness? After you've gone through a chemo, after you've gone through a treatment, when they see you back again, how many people are hating your coming back to work. Bangaki abantu abacikwa ukuthi senixolelene seniyazwana. Thando zami sidalwe somuntu ngeke usenzele lutho. Ngathi kukhona abantu abadinwa ukuthi abangani sebexolelene. Athi wena sibanibani ngesikhathi usibanibani engekho kwena mina I stood by you ngesikhathi usibanibani ekwenza ukuthi mina I did that and now udino ukuthi senibuyisene seniyazwana. Khona isidalwe somuntu esingasuthi. Khona isidalwe somuntu esinganeli and uSathane brings that in us. Ukuthi uSathane no, let's do more. Khona umuntu ongasuthi. No matter what you do, their appetite is bottomless. Khona umuntu who's excited by your pain. Khona umuntu who wants to see you down and out. Athi ngifuna ungilethele ikhanda lakhe. Usho njalo ngelinye ilanga uHerodias akekho nje excited ukuthi uJohannes uzobulawa. Uthi no ngilethele ikhanda lakhe nesilver plate because angifuni nithi nimbulele kanti nimbulalanga. Uthi lethe ikhanda ngifuna ukubona ikhanda then ngizokwazi ukuthi useshonile. Khona umuntu ozothi give me the evidence ukuthi uSibanibani has been destroyed. Khona abantu abasempilweni zethu, they are there when uyitshela ukuthi bayakuthanda. They are there when uyitshela ukuthi badinga usizo lwakho. They are there when uyitshela ukuthi you have everything amicably and agreed upon. No, but lana just to collect information and to collect confirmation ukuthi yes uyena lo sesiniqedile ngaye ayisekho into ezophinde yenzeke ngaye. They're not interested in you. Uyangithusa uSathane. uSathane stretch out your hand and touch his bone and his flesh and he will curse you to your face. He still instructs uNkulunkulu ukuthi no wena Nkosi awazi lutho. Lula isandla sakho phezu kwakhe manje. Sazokuthuka lo. Ungaqhoshi ngaye. Don't forget uSathane had accused uNkulunkulu ukuthi but wena Nkosi you had put a hedge around Job. You had protected Job. That's why everything's like this. Athi uNkulunkulu kulungileke manje simphuceni yonke into. Athi uSathane uvele simphuce yonke into kodwa sikaze sithinta umzimba wakhe. Verse 6 athi and the Lord said to Satan, behold, he is in your hand. Only spare his life. Athi uNkulunkulu kulungile. Ngiyamnikeza wena. Athi uJehova kuSathane bheka sesesandleni sakho. Kodwa gcina ukuphila kwakhe. Uyangithusa uNkulunkulu. Kanti uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuthatha umuntu ambeke esandleni sikaSathane. Kanti mina ngiyitshela ukuthi ngilwisana nabaphathi bami. Kanti uNkulunkulu uvumile ukuthi ngihlale esandleni saSathane. Mina ngiyitshela ukuthi kunenkinga emshadweni wami. Kanti uNkulunkulu uvumile ukuthi ngihlale esandleni sikaSathane. Mina ngitshela ukuthi abantwana bami badla ama drugs are being destroyed. Kanti uNkulunkulu uvumile ukuthi ngihlale esandleni sikaSathane. Mina ngitshela ukuthi abasemzini abangifuni. Kanti uNkulunkulu uvumile ukuthi ngihlale esandleni sikaSathane. Mina ngitshela ukuthi my colleagues hate me. Kanti uNkulunkulu uvumile ukuthi ngihlale esandleni saSathane. Athi ohuba kamnandi athi simile umzuzwana. Athi simile umzuzwana. Analezi inhlupheke esibhekene nazo ezomzuzwana. uNkulunkulu yena ovumile. uNkulunkulu uvumile ukuthi hayi kulungile for now on. Anike nibone nenzani empilweni yakhe kodwa mina ngiyamethemba. Bengifisa uNkulunkulu aphinda azambule empilweni zethu. Bengifisa uNkulunkulu aphinda benomusa kuthina. Bengifisa uNkulunkulu aphinda asikhombisa amandla akhe. Ukuthi kona konke okwenzakalile. Kukona konke okwenzakala empilweni yakho. Kukona konke obhekana nakho. Bengifisa uNkulunkulu aphinda aphakame nakuthina. Uthi namhlanje uNkulunkulu verse 6 behold he is in your hand only spare his life. Behold he is in your hand only spare his life. ngiyambeka esandleni sakho, kodwa ngokuthinta umphefumulo wakhe. Verse 7, so Satan went out from the presence of the Lord, and he struck Job with loathsome sores from sole of his foot to the crown of his head. And he took a piece of broken pottery with which he scraped himself while he sat in ashes. Then his wife said to Job, do you still hold fast your integrity? Do you still hold fast your integrity? Thunkosikazi, usabambelele yini ekupheleleni kwakho na? Usabambelele yini ekulungeni kwakho na? Usabambelele yini kuloNkulunkulu wakho na? Angithusa uNkulunkulu. uJobe ushawe ngesifo esilimaza umzimba wakhe kusukela emabatheni onyawo lwakhe kuze kube kokhakhayi lekhanda lakhe. Lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu wathatha okwasekuhlephukile ukuze akwazi ukuzenwaya, ngoba engasakwazi ukuzinwaya ngezandla zakhe, ekwazi ukuzenwaya angayithunuki. Mhlawumbe la inwaya khona kuphuma ubovu, la inwaya khona kukuphuma igazi, la inwaya khona uyayilimaza, kodwa unkosikazi ahleli naye uthi usabambeleleni kuloNkulunkulu wakho. Usazohlala nikule ndoda ekwenza lento. Kwesinye isikhathi siyangena enkingeni ebesingeke singene kuzona ukube sashada abantu abamsabayo uNkulunkulu. Siyangena kwezinye inkinga ebesingeke singene kuzona ukube sashada abantu abanomqondo ophusile. Siyangena einkingeni esikuzona manje besingeke singene kuzona ukuba abangani bethu babantu abamqondo uphusile. Kwesinye isikhathi siyangena einkingeni uthola ukuthi usibanibani yazi ube ngayi-avoida le nkinga ukube ube ngaphili impilo nje. Yabona khona ezinye izinto we could have avoided them had impilo zethu been different. We could have avoided them had abantu esihlala nabo been different. We could have been avoided them had abantu esibalalelayo had been different. We could have avoided them had ikhaya esihlala kulona had been different. uJobe uthi sesishawe ngakho konke, kodwa I think umuntu omsha kakhulu unkosikazi wakhe. Instead of support, uthi usathembeka kanjani uNkulunkulu nje, umthungane ufe. And one can argue ukuthi she's saying it out of fear, she's saying it out of hurt. But ukube beyinkosikazi enengqondo, ukube ube indoda enengqondo, ukube ube umzalo onengqondo, ukube ube umphathi onengqondo, ukube ube umsebenzi onengqondo, ukube ube umngane onengqondo, ngaba ngikho la ngikhona. Khona izinto ezishayile manje because abantu esihleli nabo ubuhlakanipha kwabo nobuhlakali babo bufishane. Angikhulumi ngokuhlakanipha mina ko-NQF, angikhulumi ngokuhlakanipha kokuthi ufundile usibanibani, no, khona ukuhlakanipha okuvela kuNkulunkulu. Khona ukuhlakanipha okuvela ezwini likaNkulunkulu, khona ukuhlakanipha izwe elingeke lisinike kona, khona ukuhlakanipha okuvela kumesabeni uNkulunkulu. Thola amadoda asendulo, amakhehla nezalukwazi ukuthi hayi mntanami akwenziwa kanje emhlabeni. Hayi mntanami ukuze umshado wakho usimama kwenziwa kanje. Hayi mntanami ukuze abantwana bakho baqhubeke bakuhlonipha kwenziwa kanje. Hayi mntanami ukuze emsebenzini uphumelela kwenziwa kanje. Hayi mntanami awuphili kanje nabantu. Kwesinye isikhathi siyamswela umuntu onokuhlakanipha okuvela ezulwini. Kwesinye isikhathi siyamswela umuntu uba abe ingcenye yempilo zethu owazana noNkulunkulu. Ngoba thina ngokwethu siyahluleka. Ngoba thina ngokwethu kunezinto esithi mazizenza hayi baningi abantu abalimalayo. Besiswela le nkonzo ukuthi ngenelela Nkosi yami. Ngenelela Moya Ongcwele. Ngenelela uNkulunkulu wethu. Senzela amandla akho nomusa wakho. Senzele futhi nesihawu sakho khona impilo zethu izoba ngcono. uthi unkosikazi kaJobe, do you still hold fast to integrity, curse God and die? But he said to her, you speak as one of the foolish women would have spoken. Shall we receive good from God, and shall we not receive evil? In all of this, Job did not sin. Athi uJobe kuyena ukhulumisa njengonkosikazi oyisiwula. Siyakwamukela okuhle kuphela kuNkulunkulu na, singakwamukeli nokubi na? Kukona konke lokhu uJobe akonanga ngomlomo wakhe. Ngithanda lento esho uJobe. Athi kwenye translation, uma ngikwazi ukwamukela okuhle bengakwamukeli ngani okubi. Yabona ithando zami sengiphetha kunaleli gama engifuna ukulisho. Wayivama ukuthi ukhuluku thina noma ngathi umuntu kupho okubi akwenza kona, ngokukhohle okuhle akakwenzela kona. Noma ngathi uyikuphi okubi akwenze kona, kodwa uthi ungakukhohle okuhle ake wakwenzela kona. Ngamzondo umuntu, khumbula okuhle akakwenzela kona. Yebo manje ukugilile, yebo manje ukubukanise nabantu, yebo manje ukulimazile, kodwa ungakhohlwa okuhle akakwenzela kona. Ungakhohlwa umusa akakuvezela kona. Khona le nkonzo uJobe ayishoyo, athi uma sikwazi ukwamukela okuhle, pho kungani singakwamukela okubi? Masikwazi ukwamukela okumnandi, pho kungani singakwazi ukwamukela okubabayo? Masikwazi ukwamukela okushisayo, pho kunani singakwazi ukwamukela okubandayo? Ngithanda leyo nkonzo, julile kumina leyo nkonzo, kufunda ukwamukela zonke izinto. And that's the word for today. Learn to accept all things from God. Learn to accept all things from God. Nalokhu kusayisabelo sami. Learn to accept all things from God. That's the word for today. Nalokhu kusayisabelo sami. Learn to accept all things from God. I may not be excited. I may not be happy. I may not be thrilled. I may not be progressing. But learn to accept all things from God. Nalokhu kusayisabelo sami. Nangenhlupheko ngiyalungiswa. Nangokugula ngiyalungiswa. Nangosizi ngiyalungiswa. Nalokhu kusayisabelo sami. Nalokhu uNkulunkulu usangilungiselela. Nalokhu uNkulunkulu usangivikela. Nalokhu uNkulunkulu sangenzela umusa. Learn to accept all things. And that for me becomes everything. Learn to accept all things. Igama likaYise benendodana nomoya ogcweleyo. Amen.